Hey, you remember when we used to go to Target all the time when we first started vlogging? Remember that?
Yes.
Like this was our thing.
Yes.
We would start here. Excuse us, sorry. We would start here in probably 90% of our vlogs. That was a long time ago.
Yeah, like 90, because we had no money.
That's-
So that was our outings.
Yeah.
Target.
Welcome back. Welcome back to the no money phase of the Neverlanders. Here we go.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Oh my God, look at the line at Starbucks.
It's because buy one, get one free. Are we doing it?
I guess so. Are we doing it?
I mean, I bought coffee, but I don't know about you.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh my God. Buy one, get one.
It's also only buy one, get one at the Starbucks inside a Target.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to explain what we're doing?
Okay, so money's tight. You know that. So instead of like gifts, we are going to do each other's stockings in a like themed treat style. Have you ever seen that TikTok challenge where couples go out on a date and they're like, or couples go out and they are like, what's my favorite drink? What's my favorite snack? What's my favorite color?
It's something that makes me think of you.
Yeah, so this is exactly what, it's not exactly like that. It's a little like that. We came up with our own category options to fill each other's stockings with. Clearly, they're gonna have to be stocking sized.
Yeah.
So this should keep the fun, a little bit of adventure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, go. We're gonna break up. I mean,
Split up.
split up. I'm gonna go on that side. You go on this side.
Okay.
You guys are gonna come with me. I'm gonna. You're not gonna see. Nobody's gonna see until we open up our stockings.
How do I vlog?
What we got. You get your phone out.
But if you edit it, you'll see.
Don't film what you're getting.
Okay.
Or do I just post this after?
No, we can do it. Okay, bye. Target, your men's pajamas are way too expensive. Look at this. One pair of thin flannel. 20 bucks. It's insane.
So because we're not buying presents for each other, this is our way of doing something creative and just showing each other that we still love each other after 17 years. I know, it's crazy that that's a thing, but I'm still crazy about her. We're not going to show what we're buying. Oh, does she need a new light bulb? We're not going to show because I got to edit this and I'll get it up now, but then we'll show later what we bought. So hang with us. It'll still be fun because it's still us in the vlogs. That's fun, right? I think. I don't know. All right. First thing is something she needs. I got to do these in order or I'll miss one. Scotch tape. Scotch tape.
The problems with the stockings is that none of these will fit in a stocking, but they're so cute. I told the kids that the Tsum Tsums were making a comeback, and I was right. They're so cute, especially because they're Christmas ones. I'm not shopping for them. They've already been shopped for. I'm not shopping for me either. But if I was, I'd bet on this area just a little bit.
All right, I got her something she needs. It'll help chill her out. Now something she wants. So I was gonna get her this journaling book, but it was $17.99. There's not even any words in it yet, and you can't even read anything out of it. That's an expensive ass blank book. Something she wants. Something she wants. Something she wants. Huh. She wants a new sex toy, but I don't think they sell those here anymore. All right, yep, confirmed they don't have sex toys anymore. She wants sleep. I can get her a shit ton of melatonin. Big hammer.
I am in no man's land on Target. This is what I call this section. Oh my gosh. And I actually haven't seen Scott once. I do feel really awkward though, because I've got too much stuff going on. The basket, my purse, a coffee, the phone. But this, we're here. When I used to work at Target, you'd frequently find stuff hidden in here. That one's empty. This one's empty. The people at this Target must be gone. I'm not going to check every single one of them. I was hoping to score a winner here.
So the best thing about having a 17-year-old daughter is you can call her and say, hey, what does mommy ask for? What does she want right now? I'm supposed to know these things, but there is a lot that I know she points at, and this is for stockings, so got to get creative. And, you know, like, a bottle of booze is not going to fit. It's a small bottle, I guess. Anyway, yet another perk of being a dad.
Looking for my something funny gift in my category selection for Scott. I don't know if I'm gonna find that though.
All right. Okay, the next one's something fun. A sex toy's fun. Something fun. What do you buy at Target that's small? It's something fun.
Scott just called me, and he's having a hard time too. It's not just me. I'm really having a hard time. I thought this would be easier, but because it's stocking sized, it's very hard. And I need something in his favorite color, and I need something funny. I had something in his favorite color, and then I decided that it was stupid, and I didn't like it at all. So back to the drawing board.
Stapler.
I think I found something funny.
Elmer's glue.
They didn't have the something funny that I wanted, but I found a different something funny. So it'll work, and I feel satisfied with it.
Wooden spoon would fit.
Now for the favorite color. That's my challenge right now, is the favorite color.
No.
It's so easy because his favorite color is green. It's so easy to just like go to St. Patrick's Day stuff, which they kind of already have some of it out because they're running low on their everything, so they have to put stuff out. But I don't want to do that. It's too easy. It's too easy.
Well, this could be fun.
Something green.
Where the hell is all the Disney shit?
I cannot tell you how many empty coffee cups I've seen sitting on shelves inside of Target because people are assholes.
All right, so halfway through picking things up, I realized this doesn't make much sense as I'm grabbing things and like you're not gonna see them. So with something fun, something candy, something sweet, something that reminds me of her, something they need, something they want, and I got all those somethings right here. So I win, I think.
Let me show you what you do when you're done with your Target Starbies. That's it, right there, folks. It's that easy.
So the store is getting gradually more crowded. There's a lot of people in the store right now. Work, I guess, is let out. Let the people out! And Kristen's hanging out over at Starbucks to meet me. I'm gonna pay for this and then get out of here. I'm done. I'm happy to be done. Where is she? She can't see what I got.
But also I'm done, and I think I beat Scott because he hasn't called to tell me that he's done. So I'm getting the one thing that we actually need, which is trash bags. And then I'll be on my way.
Okay, you can't see her. She's right on the other side. She's right there. She's on the other side. I don't want her to see me put the bag in the car, so I'm going to hide.
I forgot to check and make sure that something I bought actually rang up what it was supposed to ring up, and it didn't.
So you need to go back in there?
Yeah, if you don't mind waiting.
Okay.
It's a big difference.
Is it? Okay, go.
Okay.
I think all your stuff is hidden in the far back, so nobody's going to be able to see it. There's no car waiting for me right now,
Okay,
right?
no.
There you go.
I'm
Take
sorry.
your seat. You're the best. We did a vlog like this. Last time we vlogged from here, you had to go back in there and be awesome.
I know. You didn't tell anybody about the gift card.
The gift cards? Fuck, was I supposed to get a gift card? What? What happened?
How did I pay for everything?
Oh, yeah. That's she could tell you guys that story.
Okay.
All right, bye. I think that was a success. I kept going in one spot of the store, and every time I'd go over there, I would see her, and I had to call her and go, hey, get the hell out of here. Go to another section of the store. That was so much harder than I thought it was going to be because finding stuff that's going to fit in a stocking, that makes it really challenging. I think it would have been fun if we actually did that like together. We wouldn't be able to surprise you. Maybe that's a good date idea. You both just go out on a date and you do that for one another. Yeah, you buy it in the moment and you give it to them. There's no secrecy. That's all I got, guys. That's it. This is where I pause and I reflect on the moment. Really good.
Do you remember that one time in Chino when we were dating and we got drinks on the border and then we went Christmas shopping?
No.
We spent a lot of money.